Alright, welcome back to another video, everyone, on Pops Productions Tech. I have here with me my rooted Fire HD8 2018. So I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade this device to either it be Android 9.0 Pie or Lineage OS 14.1. In today's video, I'm going to do Lineage OS 14.1 since it's more stable. I have tested the Android Pie, which is Alright guys, so the one based on Android 9.0, which is Lineage OS 16, is a bit more unstable on this device, so I recommend using Lineage OS 14.1, which is Android 7.1, and it basically works pretty good, even better than the stock Fire OS itself. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what you're going to do now is boot into recovery. So right now, by now you should have TWRP. If you don't, of course, follow my previous video on how to do so. So let us power off the device and boot into TWRP. So of course, to boot into TWRP, we're going to press our power and volume down buttons simultaneously. So as the device has been completely turned off, we're going to now do so. And of course, by now you should have your files copied, and all those links would be in the description for you guys. So as you can see, we are now entering TWRP, and I am going to begin with the installation. So as customary, before every installation, it is recommended to make a backup of your boot partition, and if EFS is listed, then you do so with EFS as well. So you do a backup of boot and whichever other partitions you feel is necessary for you to make a backup of. So now what we're going to do is go over to wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik, system, data, and cache. So you're going to wipe these partitions and you're going to swipe. Alright, so that's done, and now we're going to go over to install and we're going to locate the files. I have these files on my micro SD card, so I'm going to select storage right here, and I have it in this folder. So for you guys, you can have that in any location as you like. So you see I have both Lineage OS 16 and 14.1. I'm going to do 14.1, and I'm going to also add the OpenGApps for Android 7.1. So OpenGApps is also optional, but I recommend that you guys install it to have the Google experience. So as you see, I have two zip files, and of course, if you'd like root, you can also select Magisk. So I've selected Magisk, and now the final file would be your finalize. I always recommend flashing it because it ensures that it patches the exploit, because if you do not do so, you would have issues with booting up. So always ensure that you flash this. TWRP also has a script in there which automatically does that. So just to be on the safe side, I recommend you flashing finalize every time you be done flashing an image via TWRP. So I'm going to swipe to confirm, and of course the installation would begin. Alright guys, so we have finished with the installation, and as you can see, we are now on Lineage OS. So I have my Google Apps installed, so you'd see a few Google Apps or two. With regards to the package for Google Apps, you have the Pico, which only comes with the Play Store. So if you don't want any heavy file, you can just install the Pico GApps. Alright, so as you can see, we are running Android 7.1. So for those of you who are on Android 9 Pie, welcome, and then for those of you who are Android 7.1, then welcome as well. So as you can see, we are running Android Nougat on our device. So like I said, it runs perfectly. The camera works fine, audio works fine, everything pretty much works well. If there are any other bugs, I'll list those bugs in the description. So that's basically it for today's video on the Fire HD 8 2018. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and of course, if you like the video, be sure to hit thumbs up and share it with others. See you guys in the next video. Have a good one.